All right, good morning. Ron.McGowen here with Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. Going to give you a little tour this morning of the Torque 325. And we're going to start off here this morning in the front. I want to show you this front cap. The first thing you're going to notice is it has tight turn technology. So that means it's made for short beds and long beds. Still do recommend a slider hitch for this unit, just for those tight turns, but it does have the short turn technology. It's got the nice molded front cap. It's an automotive painted front cap. So it's not gel coat, it's actually an automotive painted front cap. You're going to notice the 5,500 watt generator, which is more than ample power to run this unit. And plug in some extra stuff that you want to and run together along with everything in the unit at one time. You come around to the side of the unit, you're going to notice you have a nice full awning, electric awning, LED lighting behind that awning with outdoor marine grade speakers, solar plug-in. So you have a solar panel, you want to plug that in, a portable solar panel. A lot of people like using portable. They can move that panel around as the sun moves around. Just gives you a little bit more option there. 2 propane tanks. You're going to have one on each side of the trailer, which is kind of nice. They're not jammed in together. It makes it easy to pull one out, fill it, and replace it. Front storage area is phenomenal in this unit. This unit gives you a nice storage area with a water heater bypass, additional power and plug-ins for cable, satellite unit, LED lighting, and quick access to your plumbing. That's really handy to have that there. If you need to get to it for any reason during service and repair, you can easily get to that. Your water heater on this unit is going to be an 18 gallon per hour recovery rate. You run this on propane 110, you're going to get up to 18 gallons an hour. That's super because most units come with a 6 to 10 gallon water heater. Quite a bit of difference. Aluminum step makes it really nice and light. Doesn't rust because of course it's aluminum. Follow me inside. First thing you're going to notice when you walk in this unit is the fabulous kitchen. Kitchen is amazing in this unit. We've got hard surface countertops. We've got nice sturdy sinks with residential style faucets, pull-out faucets. You've got your 3-burner range right here. You'll notice there's a nice gap here so that you can put a nice pot there, still operate the range and the vent fan. The microwave. All of your cabinet doors are hard surface wood. So look at the depth of that cabinet, nice and deep. A lot of these cabinets in these units are short and shallow. Additional cabinetry all the way through. The drawer bank, look at the drawer bank on this unit. Fabulous drawer bank, lots of drawers, and again more cabinetry, a spot to put your trash can. Everybody always asks, where am I going to put my trash can? Well, there you go. There's a spot for nice big pots and pans. Nice and deep and tall, so you can put nice pots and pans in there. Large Dometic refrigerator. There we go. Got to push a little harder. You've got a nice 8 cubic foot refrigerator for those extended stay weekends, and a nice freezer. What's really nice about this unit though is the pantry. Look at the pantry. Is that fabulous? Lots of room. Food, again, pots and pans, dog food. If you're bringing a dog with you, you got a big bag of food. Where do you put that? Well, this unit takes care of that. Storage on the top. So you've got a nice storage area there. A lot of people will put rubber totes on that and just have extra stuff up there. And a nice spot to put some doodads here. Back in the garage area, we're going to have 2 opposing power couches and 1 bed on the top. These both make into queen beds. You're going to see that you've got the patio decking and the stair system. Really makes it nice when that patio deck is down in the patio position. You've got the decking around there. It helps keep the little kids in, the small dogs in, and it just gives you a little bit of privacy, makes it feel a little more homey. And we've got an additional bathroom area, so you've got a restroom here, the toilet with the medicine cabinet and sink. So you come in after riding or during riding, you need to use the restroom. You don't have to go into the trailer, which is really nice on these toy haulers because they've got this back door here that gives you access to the bathroom while you're traveling. So you don't have to worry about putting that slide out while you're traveling. You can stop somewhere, come in here, use the restroom. It makes it really convenient. Notice the TV is stationed right in proportion with the couch. You're not trying to turn your head and look at where the TV is. It's directly proportional to the couch. Your stereo system is right below it. That's all tied together for inside and outside. You can play DVDs and CDs through that system, Bluetooth compatible. As you walk in the door, your control panel's right here for your slide outs, your awnings, your generator, your interior lights, and your monitor panel. Everything's right there. As we come up the stairs, you're going to find a closet. It's a nice closet area here. It's a coat closet so that you've got a spot to hang those dripping wet coats, especially here in the Northwest. And again, more closet, more wardrobe area, a nice little table area here. It allows you to put some stuff there, maybe a light there. You've got, on both sides here, you've got a spot to put books at night. You've got USB ports, 110 ports, lots of cabinets above the head, lots of clearance between that cabinet and the bed so you don't hit your head at night when you get up and want to go to the restroom. You've got lots of clearance there. Moving down to the bathroom area, we've got a nice tub shower combination here. This tub shower combination is nice. I'm just below 6 foot tall and I'm a fairly large guy. You can see I got plenty of room here. You've got a shower hose there, and you can use this as a tub and or shower. You've got a skylight here that gives you more height and allows light in. And you can see you've got a nice medicine cabinet here, nice sink and porcelain toilet, laid out really nice and convenient for use. They've really thought this trailer through. As we move back outside, this is where your marine grade speakers are that I discussed earlier. And again, you'll come to the back. You're going to see their stabilizing jacks. Again, aluminum step. They didn't go cheap and go steel on the back and aluminum on the front. It's aluminum on both ends. And on this side, we're going to have the fuel station. There's your fill right there, your shut-off. You've got a black water tank flush back here because you've got two holding tanks on this, 2 wastewater tanks. So you're going to have 2 black water flushes. This is where our docking station is. So now you're going to have gray tank 1, waste tank 2, and gray tank 2. Again, all in one spot with another black tank flush right here, outdoor shower, additional power, cable and satellite hookups, your water hookup here. So everything is really located in one nice convenient spot, and there's your power cord hookup. Again, you've got another propane tank right here. And moving back around, we're back to the front of this beautiful unit. My name is Ron.McGowen again with Guaranty RV in Junction City. You can call me directly at 541-968-6010 or email me at ron.mcgowen@guaranty.com. Thanks and have a great day.